progress. Got the bed base in with a bit of reinforcement. It is very sturdy. I've got tons and tons and tons of nails hold it in place. Got all these here. I have an air conditioner, so I'm a little bit more willing to spend some more time in here when it's a hot day. But yeah, it's not going anywhere. Making progress. I'm also a little procrastinating right now. I'm taking a break. I'm giving myself permission. I'm taking a break right now. So, but what I think I'm gonna do, I cut that out. You can see the wire nuts that I mentioned previously, and I was able to move this past. That might be a problem because this is what feeds to that. So, but start running the wires because I have the spools down there. But yeah, it's so much nicer having the AC in here. This one I got for free, so I'm gonna take it because it's free. I like free stuff. But the way that the vent is, I'm gonna have to brainstorm about how I'm gonna go about where to put this and how to do the ventilation. Because if you think about it, the bottom of, or rather the top of the countertop will be just underneath the window, and that's probably a good 3 inches. But it's more of like, how do I go about redirecting this airflow to be more manageable? The nice thing is, and this is the real tester today, is having it. Because initially I was going to do duct work and make it all complicated, but like over here, I don't really, it is cooled down sufficiently. It's more of like during the day when the sun is shining, where the best place to have it would be. So I'm going to do some measurements and see what I can do, because I do currently have the heat going out there, but there is the vent over there from the OG heater unit. But yeah, I also put insulation on that. But more of just kind of just thinking about efficiency and how good it is. This is the time. This is usually when I hit my first wall, and then second wind will come around. But placing this so it is feeding and cooling the space more efficiently. So, yeah, we're rocking and rolling, bud. I know what I did. It's because all of that's filled with spray foam. So that's fine. That's fine. Because this is you see it's the thicker gauge wire there. There's thinner and then thicker. That should be fine. Essentially, it's more of like having a light up here, a USB charger. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine.